everything we created ends up replacing us. Right now, AI can write books, make music, create videos, drive cars, diagnose diseases, and talk like a real human. It's only getting smarter, and most people have no idea how fast this is happening. Millions of jobs are at risk: artists, teachers, programmers, writers, designers, etc. This isn't science fiction. It is already happening. AI can make fake videos of people saying things they never said, fake photos, fake voices, fake news. Soon, you won't know what's real anymore. As AI gets smarter, humans get lazier. Why learn math? Why write essays? Why think? Your machine could literally do everything for us. But what happens to human intelligence? So will AI replace humans? Not today, but it will replace humans who stop thinking, creating, and adapting. The future doesn't belong to the strongest or laziest humans. It belongs to the smartest humans and probably the smartest machines. AI isn't a monster, but it could become one if humans lose control. The real question isn't whether AI replaces us, it is whether we replace ourselves with it. Do you think AI is dangerous or it is the best thing to ever happen? Comment your opinion and make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. I'm Asuna and I'm out.